Welcome back once again. My name is Victor Digoma here, and in our class right away, we want to answer this question. The question that says calculate the unknown. There are some angles here that are not available. Okay, this W is not there, this Y is not there, this K is not there. So we want to calculate them. And how do we approach this? This is still a class on circle theorems. We have done a lot of work already behind. Okay, the theorems we are using here, we have already been able to prove them in our classes behind. Like this cyclic quadrilateral, we have been able to show previously that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, and that external angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. So we have been able to do all these theorems, and you need to check out on them so that you understand them as we make use of those theorems. So quickly, without taking our time, I'm going to handle this question. So the question says, calculate the unknown angles. Okay, calculate the unknown angles. So we say solution is something I normally tell my students that circle theorem is the type of question in mathematics that you can just look at it and say the answer without even doing any calculation. But if it is a theory question, you now know that you need to, when you make a statement, you back it up with the theorem that supports that. So if I say now that W is equals to 110 degrees, that's the answer. But I just need to back it up, say why it is so. So I am going to say that that is external or exterior, okay? Exterior angle of a cyclic quad. I will use quad for quadrilateral, is equal to the opposite OPPT, opposite interior angle. So if you enter here, what is exactly opposite is this. So that is just the answer, and this is just the theorem that supports that. If you want to understand this theorem and the proof, you check the class where we did it. Okay, please, just behind. All right, I will go quickly again and say that also this ADC, this angle ADC, plus this angle ABC, ABC is equals to 180 degrees. Why? What is going on here? That 110 degrees plus y is equals to 180 degrees. What is going on here? Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180 degrees. That's just what is going on there. So it then means that y is equals to 180 minus 110. It then means that y is equals to 70 degrees. Y is equals to 70 degrees. So that is just the understanding there. So I'm sure that explanation is very, very clear. That theorem is discussed in the previous class. You can also check it out. Then finally, is it finally? Yeah, this question doesn't, shouldn't take more than 5 minutes for me to, or anyone to provide the answers. So you realize that K is equals to 2 times Y. And where is this one coming from again? We're also going to back it up because it has been shown in the last classes. The theorem is there that angle at the center of a circle, angle which a chord subtends at the center of the circle is equal to the is 2 times the angle at the any other point on the circumference of the circle. So that theorem is there. So we can support it by saying angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. I'll just write this. So it then means that K is equals to 2 times what is y? 70 degrees. 2 times is so k is equals to 140 degrees. That's all. That's all. Was I too fast? You might look at it again and again. Okay, and the most important thing is that if you started with me when I was handling the theorems one after the other, you will not have any issue within this, axis. I promise you that you can still go back and check those theorems, how I was able to discuss them when I was very, very elaborate. So if you check on them and come back to look at these questions, you will not have any issue understanding them. So please, if this class was able to help you, like the video and share it to someone else. Then if you click on the subscription button, you'll be able to access our previous classes, as many as over, 100 plus classes that we already have there online. So you can look at those classes one after the other, and then it will help you to build up whatever dimension or area you want to go in your study. It will help you. So thank you so much for being there.